Grant writing in is an art, and you must be familiar with the essential component of the grant, strategy of grant, and everything. My name is Dr. Riaz, and in this video, I will explain everything step by step how to write the grant and what are the component of the grant. So, grant writing essential, uh, I will explain it. First, try to understand this element of a case of our sport. So first, for grant writing, what? What mean objective? So, what are your objective to grant writing? And then how? How mean process, strategy for grant writing. And next, who mean organization. And who are organization mean the people who are working in the organization. In simple word, I say, your target audience. And for grant writing, you also see the facilities where you will find the facilities of grant writing. For example, you are going to write the grant for the graduate student to introduce the new technology like the simulations, and you will also find is the such kind of facilities are available in that university institution or where you would like to uh, apply the grant. Next, budget. So you will also keep in mind how much money you have for spending. So in your proposal, you must everything, and you will explain the every component of the budget. Where will you use what amount will you use, and how will you use the amount that will be given to you. Next, evaluation. How well? Evaluation. How well? How is your money or your project is going on the right direction? And after that, the last component, future funding. So your success upon what next? If you complete a one project successfully, and then you can show the the peoples for next project. So now I explain simply I can say grant writing what mean objective, how, strategy, and who target our audience in your organization, and where facilities are available for implementing of the grant, and how much budget do you have for this grant. And last, you will evaluate, did you achieve your goal in the grant or not. And as you know, you will have also get the funding for your grant. So what next mean future funding opportunity for you. So you should keep these point in your mind. No, I would like to explain in detail the grant writing, and in this I will explain what is a grant and other things. So what expect to from this workshop? Type of grant available, I will explain it. Uh, uh, Choosing a grant, research needed to obtain a grant, understand what is being asked, writing the grant itself, submitting the grant, and success. Now, all these points will be discussed in detail, and I hope that you will I hope that you will learn everything about this. Next, what is grant? A grant is monetary award of financial assistance given to recipient to carry out some work for charitable public purpose or for the public good. So, in simple word, the money will be given to you and you will implement the plan for the improvement of for the public good. Maybe you will improve the human skill and you will improve the human sources and you will improve the financial sources or physical resources. Grantship. Grantmanship is both science and an art. It is hard work, but get easier with practice, good planning, and organization. So you must these point in mind: practice, planning, and organization. So these are the grant ship. Private foundation. As you know, 10 billion annually is given to the from donor to the uh, grantor. So it's a big amount in all over the world and maybe more than 10 billion amount. So detail out of what interest the company. So first point you have to keep in mind, what is the interest of the company, often given out depending on geographical location where it is located, and that is a private foundation. Other is corporations help to improve corporation image. So other grant is given. So most corporation given the amount to improve their image based on the corporation trust. And what is the interest of that organization, corporation? Smaller pool to choose from. So you have to choose the smaller pool. Next, what has the money? The first step is going for grant is determine who has who has funding available. So as you know, with all funding available, the second step is to make sure that your grant proposal matches need of your organization to requirement of the funding. Now, the first step is going for grant to determine who has funding available. So funding is very important, and as you know, money is as important for the implementing growth as the as a human being and all other animal need oxygen. Without funding, you cannot do anything. So first, you have to look where is the funding available. The second step is to make sure that your grant proposal match the need of your organization to the requirement of funding resources. So this is also very important. Try to match your grant and your expertise to the organization who is providing you the funding for this project. So these 2 points are very important. Who qualify for grant? Government organization first because they are trustable and people. Educational organization, non-profit organization, so for profit and other small business organization and individual. So first, the most who qualifies the grant? The most of grant is given to the government organization because government as a infrastructure, they have physical and human resources for completing the project for what you getting there. Second, educational organization. So there are a lot of organization who are getting the grant. And third, non-profit organization are getting the grant. Non-profit organization mean NGO, non-profit gov- government organization. They also collecting the funding. For profit organization, other than small. So there are some profit organization. They are also getting the grant. Small business, sometimes the grant is given to those people who are running the small business, and for the establishment and exploring the business grant is given. And last, some individual who has competency for of the project, a grant, small grant is given to them. Start with a good idea. So for grant writing, your proposal must be a solution, not a plea. Consider your proposal to be lemonade. Your lemonade, your idea is the power, the foundation support is the water. So here, your proposal must be a solution, not a plea. The solution of the problem, and here I explain with the analogy, your idea is the powder. So your idea is the powder which is given. The foundation support is the water. So water is provided and you will mix up and you will then get the lemonade water. So that is the good idea. So it's this way you can generate a good idea for getting the grant. Most important, believe in what you are proposing. So believe it in real word. Please make everything in a concrete word. What is going to propose? Either it is a feasible or not. Know your audience. What kind of organization are you submitting to? What are their funding interest? What they what have they funded in the past? Who will be reading your proposal? Who will be making the funding decision? So know your audience. So know your first of all, you must be know your audience, mean who are supporter for the organization. So what kind of organization you are submitting to? Is that organization has good reputation? What are their funding interest? So you have also complete for what purpose they are providing the funding. What have they funded in the past? You also read the proposal of past year for understanding for what purpose they are going to provide, they had provided the funding. Who will be the reading your proposal? So also keep in mind who is the reading your proposal and providing you the funding. Who will be making the funding decision and who will decide. So you must keep all these points in your mind. What is your dream? Do you have idea? Idea is important. Next is vision. First idea, vision means you are, for example, you would like to develop a city, and in the one side of city you are standing on a mountain and at the vantage point, and first you see what are the problem in the structure of the city and how much time and how much money you need to improve it. So that is the vision. So vision means you have a thought which you are going to implement. Dream of something you would like to accomplish. So you have dream, which would, and your dream would become the reality. Need funding. So for this purpose, you need funding. Try to writing a grant proposal. Many grant agencies do not receive money quality proposal. So I will explain what is your dream. So you have to, your dream must be come true. True when you apply in real world for this purpose. First of all, you have idea and in your brain and then vision. What would you like to bring change and dream of something you would like to accomplish? What would like to accomplish and from where you will getting the funding? Then start writing a grant proposal. Many grant agencies do not receive money quality proposal because they are they do not keep these points in their mind. Your problem as your guide. Identify a problem that is manageable and solvable. So keep these 2 points in mind, manageable and other is solvable. First, you have the human and physical resources for management of the problem and you have ability and you have a team and you have resources for solve the problem. Don't try to eliminate illiteracy in the Tajikistan because this project is uh, not in your approach for a single person. Pilot test a project in your district. First, start the pilot project, then it generalize and implement in the areas. Look, locate a funder with a similar ideas. Find funder who share your ideas. They have already funded similar project. They have already funded your type of organization. They are familiar everything. They share your vision, design, craft, and develop. Be methodological. Address the need and provide the solution of the problem. Write well. Address your audience. Plan your time. So for designing crafting again, first you have be familiar with method, then address what is the problem and address the solution. Write well. In I recommend try to write your proposal in 8th grade standard English. Address your audience. Who are your targets? And make a plan of your time. Tone of your proposal. To pursue effectively, your argument must appeal to your audience belief and interest. The proposal is not just the mean to change their belief. You will not be successful unless you match your project to their interest. Watch your language. Jargon usually bad but sometimes necessary. So more I suggest try to avoid jargon language, but sometimes it's very important. Complaint, dull purpose. Who will benefit from the project? So keep these points in mind. Component of every grant proposal here. So component of grant proposal is first abstract and mostly we say executive summary. And next important point is statement of need or statement of the problem. The project description here, evaluation and budget. So there are mostly uh, component of the grant. First, executive summary, then the statement or need of the problem. In this, you will explain the what is the problem and what is the possible solution. After that, give the project description. In project description, you also tell the introduce your goal, your objective, and everything you will explain in the description, and then you will evaluate the plan, and after that you will give the budget summary, tentative budget summary in detail. So that is the basic component of the grant. Session objective: to demonstrate effective strategy for turning your project ideas into potential grant proposal, to gain a general understanding basis of grant writing, to become a familiar of each component of grant application process. So the basic of the grant writer is you should first we will you should follow direction. What direction of are given in request for proposal? Know your audience. Be concise, optimistic, having a passion. Know what you are seeking and purpose. You should not make assumption. Exceed the maximum number of page, graph, chart, and so there are some basic of grant writing. First of all, read the thoroughly the the direction which will be given in the request for proposal. So mostly the donor gave the RFP, request for proposal, and give the direction. So read it and follow them. After that, know your know your audience. What is your audience? Who is providing and where you will apply the grant? You must be concise, give a brief description of the grant. Don't have a passion. Know what you are seeking and purpose. What is your purpose? So explain everything briefly, optimistic, and you have a passion to complete this task. And you also should not make assumption. I will do this, I will do that, and this, and exceed the number. There is no need to give so many page, graph, chart, anything. Billiard. So most of the donor or funder provider already given you. So how many word in your executive summary, in your description, and everything sometime given. So follow the direction that has been given. Begin with the end in mind. Think of your ideal completed project. Who will who will it impact? Who will ensure potential funding agency that will you complete the project by the grant deadline? If your project is funded, will you have the resources to execute the project in the timely fashion? Who should your project receive funding over other applicant? Grant application checklist. Number one, cover letter. Number two, proposal summary. Number three, introduction. Number problem statement or need assessment. Mostly we call the problem statement. Program objective, methodology, evaluation, and proposal budget. So you have to write the cover letter, proposal summary, introduction, problem statement, problem objective, methodology, evaluation, and budget. So grant application, your checklist. First, you have to write the cover letter, your proposal, then give the introduction of, of your proposal. After that, please write the problem statement and make the program objective, methodology, what you are writing, evaluation, and proposal budget. So I suggest you write the proposal summary after completing the grant, because at that time you have all the basic information about your grant. Read the request for proposal, avoid missing match, discover the style of writing and formality of the language used in instruction for applying, Mirror this style in your proposal. Always follow the exact specification in the grant, application request or proposal and guideline. Do you do your homework, get know the funding agency who have the funding in the past, set a goal, objective, output and outcome. So output is the outcome what you want. Smart objective, specific, don't have vague, measurable, able to be tracked, attainable. Are you side too high? Realistic. Are you really effective the outcome? Timely defined by the period. So everything keep in mind in your goal and objective. Proposal summary, usually maximum of 1 page. And some of time the donor or fund provider tell you number of word. Concise snapshot or summary of the entire proposal. Establish the foundation of the application. Should peak reader interest to want to know more about your project. Some reader may not need read the entire proposal in the summary. So your summary is important and the most of the people they read on the summary. So I will explain everything about the summary. Summary, it is a rule of thumb. The summary is on the 1 page. Summary is 1 page. Concise snapshot or summary of the entire proposal. Establish the foundation of the application should be peak reader interest and so summary is most important because the most donor only read the summary. Next, introduction. Establish credibility with your reader. Who are you? Please tell yourself. Why should we fund for your project? You have to answer this question. Describe, describe any previous experience and qualification working with the grant. Describe your school in terms of size, student, demographics, special need, goal, mission, philosophy. So everything you have to explain in the introduction. Next, problem statement or need assessment. This component is very important. Be realistic. You are not trying to save the world. Conduct research, collect statistical data, and be able to articulate the real issue. What are some best practice? Who is your target population? What is anticipated change in target population? What is so unique about your approach to make the proposal change? Program objective directly related to the problem statement and need assessment. So, in objective, uh, directly related to the problem statement are need, increase, decrease, reduce, improve. So use such kind of word. And most of times you give the percentage. Measure, mean number, criteria that will give you through each step of the implement. You can say this project will, for example, you have to, uh, a project you want to provide a training in the university and you can say after getting this training the student will be able to improve 80% their teaching skill. Who will be doing what? What, when will it happen? So you also gave everything directly related to the problem statement. So what is your problem? Relate it with your problem statement. So then you increase, decrease, reduce, and improve. What do you want? Either you expand the competency, you want to solve any problem, uh, and then measurable number. So you will also give the number, and mostly we give in the percentage. Who will be doing what? So you will also give assignment, who will and what will do. When will it be happen? You have to give the timeline in it. Methodology. Directly related to the program objective. What step will be taken in order to accomplish this program objective? Justify to reader your capability of implementing the proposed budget. Include best practice and current research. Who will participate be selected? Who will staff be recruited and trained? Then time chart out a methodology. Evaluation. Collect data through the life of the grant. Result evaluation. Where you will be able to effectively implement your program process. Where you be able to execute your proposal. Other tidbit. Be sure to set aside enough time to submit your grant proposal because it will provide you time. Arrange time in advance for signature. Do you have to submit several photocopies along with the original grant proposal? In the meantime, wait patiently and be optimistic. Continue to search for other potential funding agency. Recycle your proposed idea. It's not the end of the world, nor it is the game of baseball. It's not easy, it's not difficult. Learn from pride, pitfall, and mistake. Continue to hone your grand scale. And how far something completely different? 10. Hone your writing skill. Find your voice. Be clear, brief, supply the information requested, senior information, watch emotional language, marketing, message, sound bites, and expletive writing. Make your word more work. Choose powerful active word, use active write. So, hone, sharp your writing skill. So, for sharp your writing skill, find your voice. Your voice must be clear, brief, that supply information requested, information use space that you need to watch for emotional language, marketing your message, soundbite, use expository writing, appropriate use of client story, then make your word work. Choose powerful active word. Use word and mostly if you are familiar with the active words of Bloom taxonomy, try to use the right word at right place. Use active voice language. Write for your reader. Recognize and avoid jargon and for assumption. So keep in mind, don't use recognize, avoid, and for assumption in. You must be realistic in your word. You're already an expert. Grant writing is similar to write a lesson plan. Don't get overwhelmed by process. Take it one step at a time. Have some assist you with writing. Give yourself plenty of time. Description of your need target population. What is the problem that exists in the community? So, first, you have to pinpoint the point. How will your proposal address this need? How will your student benefit if your proposal is funded? Describe the target population, their age, number of students, socioeconomic background, and everything what you know. That is a description of your population. Methods and activity. What method will you use to meet your objective? Include activity student will conduct. Make sure that methods are realistic, age appropriate, measurable, and related to grant proposal. Some foundation may request sample lesson plan to include a lesson. Keep your writing positive. Remember to allow your patient to come through. Selling your idea to the reader. Timeline. Break down major event including training of staff, purchase, pre-post test, activity, and amount. Demonstrate that you have carefully thought out of all aspect. Budget. Budget is where record item and their estimate cost obtained from vendors. Group item into major category. Write a justification for all large ticket item. Review the grant foundation restriction expensive to ensure that you are within the budget. Make sure all purchase in budget can be funded according to the grant. Are the restriction or material? Proposal budget. Accuracy is key. Double check. Don't exceed the maximum grant amount. Research each item included in the budget. Follow the application format. Budget. So when you creating a budget, don't do research. Every penny must be accounted for. List all items you wish to use with the grant. Be sure to include description, amount of each item, price of cost, include all expenses that will be included. Evaluation, what qualitative quantitative data will be submitted to the demonstrate that your proposal objective have been met. Consider items such as a pre and post, journal, portfolio, and attitude survey. Prior to submitting, ask the following question. Did you did you clearly articulate the need and target population? Are your goal realistic? Is your objective measurable? Is all your requests integrated to your proposal? Did you double check your the grant direction and include all the component? Where were you concise and to the point? Did you write in third person? Narrative? Did you spell acronym? Did you check the spelling, grammatical error? Did you someone proofread your grant? Did your vision come clear? Did you submit your idea to more than one funding organization? So keep all point in your brain. Write successful proposal. Start with idea. Locate a source of funding, similar ideas. Design, craft, and develop your idea into well-written statement. Grant budget include source additional funding. Many grant founder request explanation. Collaborate benefit. So you must be collaborate with the other organization for getting the resource. Potential partner, school, district, institution, higher learning. So you have to collaborate. The title. This is the first thing you grant people read. It should be grab the attention. Take about what the grant is about. Writing the grant. There are many different parts to writing the grant, but you always want to keep your point reader attention. Writing tip. Tie your grant to student outcome and your and technology plan. Convey your passion, enthusiasm. Avoid education, technology, jargon, and acronym. Keep sentence short and concise. Write complete sentence. Check spelling. So, eighth grade language, English language is best for writing. Use active verb and sentence construction. Use everyday words. Write with authority and convictions. More tip. List the proposal if you have received money from the foundation in the past. Get a second look at your proposal before submit. Even if you are turned down, try again next time. Always thank you, grant maker. Tip for effective grant writing. According to RM, there are some effective tips. Follow the guideline from the grant maker. Do some homework on what the grant maker is looking for. Make a call if needed to call with someone at the foundation for more information or guidance. Keep track of deadline. Rule or to follow the preparing your proposal. Organize your presentation so that it is clear and easy to understand. Be concise and to point. Avoid broad generalize. Be specific. State exactly how much you want and why. Keep your professional jargon. Don't assume that the reader know about your organization. Explain everything, give example, be patient, reasonable, and creative. And seven, show the reviewer what result from the funding. Organizing information. When writing your grant, to be sure to include how your educational strategies align with your goal. How are you similar? Be sure to tell your organization, don't give them life story. Believe but to point. Statement of need. Describe the target population to be served. Define the community problem to be addressed. Is related to the purpose and goal of your organization. Does make any unsupported assumption. Describe the situation in the term and explain. Project description. This is the section where you should talk about who is involved, timeline, specific, detail, goal, and objective, everything. Well, company want to know if the money they gave you was put to use and the program was successful. How will you measure and evaluate the success of program? Finishing touch. Be sure to check your writing mechanics, grant writing. spelling, grammar, type, spacing. Have you another person not involved in the grant? Read it. A fresh mind always in unbiased. What happened next? Follow up these few weeks. Keep your eye open for more information. Many funders may ask for more information, so be sure to provide them this information. Conclusion. This is a great place for two things. Make a final appeal for your grant. Give follow-up activity for the further too. This can also be time to prepare. Any idea what proposal idea do you have? If first do not succeed, if the funding may deny your request, be sure to find out why. Knowing that will help you to successful when writing your next grant. Wrap up your review. So, if you like this presentation, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for watching the upcoming videos.